Imagine a surface so cleverly designed that water simply rolls right off. In nature, this is achieved through an intricate arrangement of microscopic barbs and hooks. These minuscule structures create a rough, uneven texture that traps air and prevents water from spreading. Instead, droplets bead up and slide away, carrying dirt along with them. This ingenious design not only keeps the surface dry, but also helps it stay clean. Engineers have studied this microstructure magic to develop ultra-waterproof materials for everything from raincoats to self-cleaning windows.